Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Toledo 1 litre TSI Excellence finished in black magic. Features on the car include full LED headlamps, daytime running lights, front parking sensors and front fog lights. The car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, built-in indicators in the mirror housing. Being an Excellence model, the car features privacy glass as standard, and also has the rear parking sensors. The Seat badge doubles as the boot handle. The cavernous loading space and extra storage at the side. There's also a full-size spare wheel. Inside, the car seats 5 in total. Has ISOFIX on the rear bench and a couple of USB ports at the back of the armrest. 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. There's also keyless entry and keyless start in the car. The car's covered just over 9,500 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates, digital climate control, storage at the front with a USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary, 12-volt power source in between there, and a centre armrest as well. If you'd like any further details on this car or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.